This type of stuff you don't do until your sophomore year or junior year in college. So these kids who are interested in that type of work in biotech, in medicine, in chemistry, and pharmaceuticals, they're getting exposed to the types of things that they're going to have to do every single day, not only in the industry, but in school. So when they get to their molecular genetics lab, they will already know how to use a pipette the right way, how to fix it if you messed up with your pipette, how to run a gel, how to pour a gel. So all these things that they'll already have the jump start on. So by the time they get to where they need to be, smooth sailing.
The hardest part of the labs was actually getting all of the measurements right. Working with the micropipette was hard at first, and basically making sure you didn't contaminate it all, because there are so many things around us. You're not conscious of it until you actually do a lab. There are so many things around us that can contaminate samples.
We use polymerase chain reaction to identify the DNA at the crime scene with 3 other people's DNA that we collected that were the suspects in the crime.
You have to be organized and detail-oriented in order to do labs correctly, because they are such high-level labs.
My favorite part of doing the labs was the hand-on experience, actually being able to see what happens when you splice DNA, when you try to replicate DNA, and when you look at different proteins. So basically, it was not just hearing about it, getting the lectures and getting the theory, it was actually seeing it happen